Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the operating system, Windows Networking. We'll discuss how to configure Windows Networking. In Windows 11, Network and Internet Settings, we'll use Windows settings to configure networking in Windows 11, including configuring wireless and Ethernet connections. As always, stick around for the practice questions at the end to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the A+ exam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Hatcherback channel for more tech training content and technical know-how. In Windows 11, you can click the network or wireless icon to open Quick Network Settings, which allows you to turn off the wireless, connect to a wireless network, and enable or disable airplane mode. If you click the little down arrow, you can see additional options, including enabling or disabling mobile hotspot and wired display. To access the Windows Settings, Network, and Internet Settings, you can use one of these two methods. Start, Settings, Network and Internet, or right-click the network icon or wireless icon in the system tray and click Network and Internet Settings. The main page shows your current connection status, including if you're connected to the network, and which network and how much data usage you've used within the last 30 days. You can also turn on or off Wi-Fi, enable or disable mobile hotspot, or enable or disable airplane mode. Ethernet will show you if you're connected. You can also select the network profile, authentication settings, metered connections, and IP settings. Network profile specifies the generic type of network you're connecting to. Public profile is used when networks that might not be a safe network, such as those you find in public places, airports, hotels, restaurants, libraries, or companies you do not work for. Your computer devices are not discoverable on the network, and you cannot share files, folders, and devices, including printers. Private profile is used with networks that you know and trust, such as your home or workplace. Your computer or devices are discoverable on the network, and you can share files, folders, and devices, including printers. You cannot install a wireless network printer at home unless the network profile is set as private. Metered connection marks your computer as a metered connection so that some applications will reduce data usage for metered connections if this option is selected. Most of the time you want metered connections to off. However, if your network connection is expensive and is based on how much data you're using, you can turn on metered connection. Under IP settings, it shows that the IP address is automatic or DHCP or manual. It also shows link speed, addresses, DNS servers, network card manufacturers, description, driver version, and the physical or MAC address of the adapter. If you click the edit buttons, you can turn IP version 4 on or off, and you can then specify the IP address, which is a unique logical address assigned to the host, the subnet mask, which specifies which bits of the IP address is network bits and which bits are host bits, the default gateway, which is the IP address of the nearest router, which allows communications with other networks, and the DNS servers, which are the IP addresses of DNS servers which provide name resolution to IP addresses. Don't forget to click the Save button. If you turn on IP version 6, you can configure the IP version 6 settings, including the IP version 6 IP address, subnet prefix length, default gateway, and preferred DNS. If you click the Data Usage option, you can see how much data over the network each application has used. Wi-Fi allows you to turn on or off Wi-Fi, show available networks, hardware properties, and manage known networks. If you click Hardware Properties, you can see and edit the IP addresses, mask, and DNS servers, and also view the manufacturer, description, driver version, and physical or MAC address. When you click Show Available Networks, the available networks will be displayed. To connect to a network, you have to specify the name of the wireless network, the Service Set Identifier or SSID, or click one of the SSID names shown. Unless the passkey is already saved from connected before, you'll then have to specify a known passkey for the network. Under Wi-Fi, hardware properties will show the IP address, DNS servers, network adapter manufacturers, network adapter description, network adapter drivers, and the physical or MAC address. Random hardware address option allows you to use different physical or MAC addresses to make it harder for people to track your computer. Manage Known Network allows you to manage your current and previous Wi-Fi connections. If you click a wireless connection, you can enable the connection when in range, turn on or off the random hardware address and metered connections, set a data limit, and configure IP settings. The Forget button deletes the connection. Airplane mode will turn off all radio transmitters on your computer, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can also turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth individually. The Mobile Hotspot page allows you to turn your computer into a mobile hotspot, which other computers and mobile devices can share your network or internet connection. To change the network name, network password, or network band, you would click Edit. Question: will we define the Ethernet and Wi-Fi settings in Windows Settings? Answer: network and internet. Question: which network profile should you use at home? Answer: private. Question: you're configuring your IP settings in Windows 11. Which of the following is required with the IP address? Answer: subnet prefix length. Question: what option would you use to remove Wi-Fi connections previously used on your computer? Answer: manage known networks. Question: what options will quickly turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your laptop running Windows 11? Answer: airplane mode. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, to configure Windows network settings, you would open Windows Settings and click Network and Internet Settings. Network Profile specifies the generic type of network you're connecting to. Windows Network and Internet Settings, Ethernet and Wi-Fi pages allows you to configure IP configuration. To connect to a wireless network, you'll have to specify the name of the wireless network, Service Set Identifier or SSID, or click the name of the SSID shown. You'll then have to specify a known passkey for the network. Manage Known Network allows you to manage your current and previous Wi-Fi connections. Airplane mode will turn off all radio transmitters on your computer, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be Windows Networking, Part 3, Windows 10 and 11 Control Panel Network Settings. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Hedger Back channel. Thank you.